Sagittarius, hi. Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. Titinan natin ang situation ninyo 1 year from now, from the time na mapanood nyo ang reading na to, dahil ito ay isang timeless reading. So, anytime na mapanood nyo to, as long as makaka-resonate kayo, this reading is for you. So, if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang para kayo ay makapag-book for a private reading. Okay, so let's see, kamusta kayo, Sagittarius? 1 year from now. Isang taon mula ngayon, kamusta ang mga Sagittarius? 1 year from now. Rainbow, wow. So, rainbow is about fortune after difficulty. So, ito yung kayang-kaya mong ma-overcome yung mga challenges, no? Na may experience mo sa buong taon. This is also bringing abundance in your life. This is new opportunities, no? Kumbaga, di ba ang sarap sa pakiramdam kapag na-overcome mo ang isang challenge, ang isang problema. Tapos parang mas lalong magbo-boost yan ng confidence mo na, yun nga nagawan ko ng paraan, nagawan ko ng solusyon, na pagtagumpayan ko. So, kumbaga, with that mindset, you will gain more confidence. Mas magiging positibo yung pananaw mo. Mas optimistic ka. Okay, let's see. Ano pa, Sag? You have the sky. Ayan, sky is the limit. So, this is about expansion. So, maaring you are open to expanding your horizon, you're expanding your career, your business, your relationship, name it, no? Kumbaga, sky's the limit nga daw eh. So, it's about also your inspiration, your intuition, yung pananalig mo rin, no, sa sarili mong kakayanan. Kung ano yung mga abilities mo na pwede mo pang mas patibayin, 'di ba? This is also about, para siyang energy ng Jupiter, no, which is about good luck, about expansion, abundance. So maaring may mga bagong opportunities coming in sa'yo 1 year from now na magpapasok ng prosperity, no, sa iyong buhay. Ayan. So kung may business ka, mas lalong mag-expand yung business mo, mas dadami yung customers, yung iyong mga, not just the customers, but also yung services mo, mas dadaming services or products. Okay, we have the wave. Ayan, wave is about unity. So, maaring merong makikipag-ayos ka sa isang tao, or merong isang tao na makikipag-ayos sa'yo. Pwedeng, kung sino man to, no? Lalo na kung ngayon, kilala mo na kung sino to, diba? Kung meron kang nakasamaan ng loob, pwedeng matagal na kayong hindi nag-uusap, maybe 1 year from now, mariresolve nyo yung problema na yon. Or within that time period, meron kang makasamaan ng loob, and then within a year, maayos niya rin yung problema. Okay? So, kumbaga, this is also about connection sa sarili mo. So, kung mas kilala mo yung sarili mo, mas alam mo kung paano makikitungo sa iba, mas madali mo ring maintindihan yung perspective ng ibang tao. Okay? Let's see the overall energy. What is the overall energy ng Sag? Wow, okay. So you have the Death card. This is transformation, major change. I feel like you are open to major changes in your life 1 year from now. This can be pwedeng may mag-e-end na trabaho, career, business, or even relationship, na magiging open ka na to start something new. This makes sense kasi itong rainbow is about new beginnings or new opportunities for you. Let's see your possible challenge. The possible challenge is the Knight of Swords. Oo, yun nga, maaring merong mga times na nami-misinterpret ka ng ibang tao, or yung mga sinasabi mo, they take it against you kahit na nagiging totoo ka lang. Meron kasi mga taong mabilis masaktan kasi totoo. So, puwedeng isa sa challenge mo is yung pagiging prangka mo, ah, pagiging totoo mo 'no, yun yung, maaaring maging isa sa dahilan ng misunderstanding within people na makakasalamuha mo. But I think kailangan lang kasi diyan is, proper communication, kung sino yung nagkamali, mag-sorry, um, para makaiwas na lang sa ano, sa conflict, 'di ba? Mm. Let's see your opportunity. Wow, the lovers. O, as an opportunity, yung iba sa inyo, 1 year from now, pwedeng papasok kayo sa isang seryosong relationship, no? Kung single kayo. Alam niyo, marami kasi pwedeng mangyari sa loob ng isang taon eh, no? Some of you naman, pwedeng business partnership ito. Kung kayo naman ay in a relationship, maaring mas lalong magle-level up yung connection ninyo. Pwedeng you will get married or magsasama na kayo or you will have children. Okay? Let's say your blessing. You have the magician. Ang ganda nito as a blessing kasi yung manifestation skills mo is going to be on point. So, ito yung time na marami kang mga gustong i-manifest na mabilis mong makukuha. Lalo na kung talagang you are taking action, no? Kasi nga, manifestation requires action, okay? And also, this is discovering your abilities, your talents, your skills. I think blessing yan sa'yo dahil meron kang mga hidden talents, no? Mga nakatagong talento na hindi mo pa na-explore na 1 year from now, malalaman mo kung ano yan. Mm-mm. And you will realize na, oops, galing pala. Magaling ka pala sa ganitong aspeto ng buhay na pwede mo pala yung i-monetize, gawing pagkakitaan, na pwedeng mag-increase ng iyong source of income. Sa money, career, finances, you have learner. Oh, you are learning something. Learning a new skill, learning new knowledge na tutulong sa'yo na mas mapaunlad ang iyong sarili. So, meron ding assistance dito. Someone is willing to help you, to guide you. Meron kang mentor. So, you don't have to worry about the things na kailangan mong gawin dahil merong andyan, tumutulong sa'yo. Oh, Ace of Wands. Tignan mo yung mga books, may pen, pwedeng discovery to of your skills, talents talaga. Tapos pwede kang mag-grow yung finances mo dahil dun sa talents mo na yan. Example, sumubo ka na manahi, no? Magtahi ng mga damit or mag-create ng anything, no? Crafts, ganyan. Arts and crafts. And then eventually, trinay mong ibenta sa iba. At hindi mo inaasahan, napapatok pala, no? So, yun yung exciting new beginning sa'yo. And yung new beginnings na yan, dahil na rin yan sa pagpupursige mong mag-aral at may matutuhanan na bago. Diba? The Knight of Pentacles, so this is financial stability in your finances, in your career, in your business. So whatever this is na magsisimula 1 year from now, this is going to be successful, lalo na very focused ka sa career path na yan. So let's see your love life ng mga Sagittarius. Okay, open-minded and passion. Uy. So some of you, maaring magiging very passionate yung inyong relationship with someone. If you are single, I think meron talagang darating na partner sa'yo. Oh, you have the Ace of Ace of Cups, new love offering. May love offer. You have the Two of Pentacles. Also be very busy. No? Magiging busy ka sa maraming bagay, lalo na kung meron kang ina-establish na trabaho, na career, na business. And at the same time, sumasabay rin yung love life mo, no? Nakikipagsabayan rin. So, kailangan dyan mabalance mo yung oras at panahon mo sa career, sa relationship, tsaka syempre sa sarili mo. Importante rin na you know how to take care of yourself. Benefit from the harvest of knowledge and sustenance that cooperation brings. Oh, this really makes sense, di ba, Sag? Ito yung meron ka raw benepisyo na makukuha sa pag-harvest ng knowledge. So pagdadagdag ng kaalaman para mas lalo mong mapaunlad yung sarili mo. And also, meron ding benefits for you yung collaboration with others. So I think for some of you, this can mean a business partnership, yung opportunities na darating sa inyo, wherein mas lalo mong magagamit yung iyong talento, no? Yung iyong skill set, at may improve mo pa yung sarili mo. Okay? So that is your reading, Sagittarius. Thank you so much. Bye!